Now we've had a chance to talk to one another over the phone, or at least exchange a few emails. We use this process to ensure that before we start working together, you will be a client who will benefit from our services. Please be aware that we employ a selective practice with distinct criteria in order to choose which specific clients we can assist. Once your file has been approved, we will then have our initial meeting, most times at our offices. There are several things that you need to bring with you to our first meeting. The most important thing is to bring your last set of tax returns. This includes not just your individual Form 1040 and its attachments, but also any individual business returns that have been filed, including payroll, sales, and property tax. Additional information is also required for businesses. Please watch the video titled New Clients for full detail. You can find a link to this video on our website or YouTube channel. Your tax return is essential for multiple reasons. First, we use it to see what information we will need from you for the current tax year. For example, when we see wages reported, we will ask for a W-2. If we see interest reported, we will ask for your bank's 1099 interest. When we see dividends, we'll request your 1099 dividend or consolidated 1099 package, and so forth. We also use the tax return to identify carryover information that you may not know about. You may have sold a property for a loss and have not realized all of the losses yet. Certain rules prohibit the deduction of all the recognized losses in the first year when you sell the property. These carryover information are necessary to make sure we include it in your tax return. You may have had losses from a business or rental property that were not completely realized and suspended. We want to make sure we capture these suspended losses also. The property that you're depreciating, in order to continue this depreciation, will want to see your tax return. Please visit our YouTube channel again for a video specific to depreciation, which we will be posting soon. Through this detailed process, we will review your previous return to ensure that it has been prepared properly. We will tell you if, in our opinion, the return was prepared too conservatively or too aggressively. We will make sure that all of the correct boxes have been checked off and the necessary elections have been taken. We will let you know if we identify any errors. We will discuss whether you may want to amend your return. Once again, please visit our YouTube channel again for a video specific to amendments, which we will also be posting soon. At this point in the meeting, we will be able to give you an estimated cost of our services to you. Once you know the cost of our services, you can decide whether you'd like to continue working with us or choose to move on, having gained some valuable information about your unique tax practice. If you decide that you want to continue working with us, we will ask you to sign an engagement letter. Once the letter is signed, we'll make recommendations for suggested changes going forward. We will let you know if you need to change an entity type or even create a new entity. We will discuss your record-keeping methods, whether it be just about type of receipts you need to keep or a better way to use the accounting system you already have. Please watch the video titled Accounting Systems for more information on accounting systems. You can find that link on a video on our website or YouTube channel. During our meeting, you will have an opportunity to ask all of your questions. We will review any issues that we may have gone over too quickly or address any subjects that you may still be unclear about. I'll make sure to answer all of your questions either as we go or at the end of our meeting together. If you have additional thoughts after we meet, you can email us. We'll get back to you promptly. We're here for you year-round, and we do our best to respond to your basic questions within 24 hours or within 48 hours during tax season. Complex or detailed questions will be answered within one business week. Your peace of mind is important to us. Hopefully this has provided you with a thorough overview of what to expect during our first meeting. Please feel free to reach out and schedule a time for our appointment. We look forward to hearing from you soon.